Radhika, and today I am going to describe hardware details for the Delta PLC. So first thing we are going to see is how to read a nameplate. So if you are having a Delta PLC hardware, then you can find this nameplate on the left side of your hardware, and it will look something like this. So if you can see over here, the first line shows model number of PLC. So it is DVC14ES00T2. So DVC stands for, it is the model series number, and 14 for number of input outputs of the PLC, and E stands for, it is main processing unit. S stands for standard. Here 00 means it says that our PLC has the AC supply. Instead of 00, if you are having it 01 or 11, it says that our PLC has the DC supply. And T stands for transistor. It means our output module has a transistor. Instead of C, if you are having a R, it says that our output module has a relay unit. And 2 stands for, it is the hardware version number. And coming to the second line, so the second line shows input power supply specifications, and third line shows output module specifications. Those are 0.3 amps and 32 voltage DC supply. RAS means it is a resistance load at the rate of 40 degrees temperature. This is the control code, and coming to the fifth line, it shows the serial number of the PLC. So it is 14ES00T2 and W0290020. So if you observe here, the first 7 digits stands for model number of the PLC. So we have already seen about the model number. And coming to the next, the W stands for, it is a production factory or plant name. It means where our particular PLC has been manufactured. And 0 stands for, it is production year, that is 2000. And 29 stands for production week, and 0020 stands for production number. It means our 20th number PLC has been manufactured in the year of 2000. This is all about the serial number, and coming to the next line, it is V6.8080 stands for, it is a version of main control unit. This is all about introduction of nameplate. Then next thing is slots and LEDs. If you observe here, this is the model number of the PLC. We have seen already about the model number. So on the top we got input slots, in which we can wire the inputs like switches, sensors to this PLC. So our CPU reads this input through these addresses X0, X1, X2 up to X7. So on the bottom we can see another slot. This slot provided for to connect the outputs. So the CPU reads this output through these addresses Y0, Y1, Y2 up to Y5. Additionally, we got some other points here that are L and N, which is to connect the line and neutral supply for the PLC. And others here symbol shows the grounding terminal. And at the bottom in the output we have the 24V stands for voltage and 24G for grounding, which PLC provides for DC connection. And we also got some common terminals. These are C0, C1, C2, C3 and C4. These are all about the slots. Also, we got some LEDs over here. So here, IN stands for input. Here, all these LEDs indicate the input on and off status with red color indication. Here on bottom, we got the output LED over here. So here also, the output on and off status shows indicated in red color. So on the left side, we got 3 LEDs over here. First one is power indication, second one is run indication, and third one is error indication purpose. This power LED glows with green color whenever PLC gets supply. This run LED glows with green color whenever PLC executing a program. And coming to the error indication, this error LED glows in red color whenever any error is occurred in the program. For example, in our program we use registers beyond the allocated range, then this error LED becomes on. These are all about the slots and LEDs. The next thing is about the ports. here. So if you observe here, we have three types of ports. First, one on the left side, one on the right side, and one on the bottom. So here, the left two ports are communication ports or programming ports. The first one on the top is a RS-232 port. So if you observe here, we got 8 pins here. So we can connect here 18 mini pin connected over here. So at the bottom, we got a slot for RS-485 communication port. The next thing on the right side, this port has been provided for module extension. Since this is a modular type PLC, if we need to extend the module for the input outputs, we need to connect them to these ports using ribbon type cables. So using this interfacing module, we can extend in and out slots. So next thing, we are going for battery backup. So here if you observe here, we got a battery backup on the top left corner. This is just to provide the power for the PLC to store the program in case of power failures. This is all about the hardware description of Intel PLC.